रेड कार्ड की सीधा करिए, हाथ को इस प्रकार करिए और हमारा पीछे पीछे बोलिए. Let's keep your spine straight. Hold your palm and repeat after me. হাত জড়ো করে মেরুদণ্ড সিধে করে আমার পেছনে পেছনে বলতে থাকুন. বলুন কোথাও গলার প্রণাম করে নেন. লাবিনী স্বরূপায় ঘোষতে ভক্ত শক্তি স্বরূপায় গদাধর নমস্তুতে. আনন্দ লীলাময় বিগ্রহায় সুন্দরায় তস্मै মা প্রেম রস প্রদায় চৈতন্য চন্দ্র নমো নমস্তে. This is the place, very significant place for Gopinath Gauriya Math, because my spiritual master, worshipful Lord is Gaur Gadadhar. You can see in Mayapur deity, name of the deity, Mayapur deity's name what? Gaur Gadadhar Radha Gopinath. So, my spiritual master also choose the place to take sannyas here. Although this is the place, it has here actual memorial. Exactly what place Gurudev took sannyas, I don't know. First we made it on one munch, on stage. But this stage very nicely our Nimai Prabhu made it. Nityananda Prabhu made it. So I become really happy, but I am little bit disturbed that my spiritual master place is not fully decorated. Not fully decorated, not only decorated, also not protected. Sign is there most probably, I don't know. Sign is there. But anyway, this is the situation. And look, this place is called Ritudip. Ritudip is representing Archon. My spiritual master establishing. Actually, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur engaged my spiritual master to oversee and simultaneously edit in publication editing department. Two service. And this Ritudip also representing worshipping, puja. Therefore, it is a very significant place for Gopinath Gauriya Math devotees, whoever following the footsteps of my spiritual master, his divine great, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Thakur. Now, I like to introduce this place. In Golden Age, there is a Brahmin. The Brahmin, it was the full of champak flower tree. Champak flower means one type of, I don't know the name of the flower, English name, but champak flower looks like golden form. Very nice fragrance. I like the fragrance. I love the fragrance. Whenever I see champak flower, I just pick up and keep it in my this big bag. I love it. I don't know why, but I love it. But anyway, that Brahmin used to collect champak flower and worship Radha Govinda. Golden age. Golden age. So, that Radha Govinda become extremely happy to get worship, get the service from the hand of the rigid Brahmin. My spiritual master also rigid Brahmin. I heard Bhagavad Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Bhushan Bhagavad Goswami Maharaj, also rigid Brahmin, right?
Yes.
Rigid Brahmin. Actually, this temple, it was prescribed by my grand spiritual master, His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, engaged only these who born in Brahmin family, in that family, that is, so that who is coming, the temple, renounced devotee. So, those devotee is eligible to worship this Gaur Gadadhar. Whenever my spiritual master used to come, how many times I came here with my spiritual master, I saw he was, this that time, actually, Nayananda Das Babaji Maharaj, at that time, he was Satish Prabhu. Actually, his name was Shakir. Mother. Anyway, হরি বল, যারা আসছেন বন্ধ করবেন। আস্তে আস্তে মাইক বন্ধ করে কিছু করেন, ভালো হবে। যাই হোক, anyway, that my spiritual master used to come, and immediately Satish Prabhu meant Satya Sakananda Brahmachari Prabhu. Later on he became famous in the name of Nayananda Das Babaji Goswami Maharaj. So he used to invite my spiritual master and for worshipping Gaur Gadadhar. Even I remember 1979 when I came first time here with Bhakti Prakash Rishikesh Goswami Maharaj. Rishikesh Goswami Maharaj, I came here and I stay here one night. That time Chaitanya Math party used to come and stay here one night, and then next day morning we'll start from here to Vidyanagar. That time only one room was there. I was sleeping in the pandal. 79, how old I am? Only 15-year-old, 14, 15-year-old. 14-year-old, 14. So, that this Gaur Gadadhar temple also is my heart. Why? Whenever my spiritual master has desire to give something, send something for Gaur Gadadhar services, so I used to bring dahi, rasgul, my bicycle, cycling way, from Mayapur to here. And Satish Prabhu happily accepted. I'm talking about 1990, 1991, in that period. So therefore, it's very nice, and I become extremely happy when I come and I get any opportunity, because Nityananda Das Brahmachari Prabhu giving me very affection, too much affection, and allow me to go take darshan, and really wholeheartedly I pay obeisance to Gaur Gadadhar, and begging, please allow me to serve me. Because Gaur Gadadhar deity, if anyone worship, definitely they will enter to Vrindavan. They will worship the Radha Govinda. In Vrindavan, definitely they will be free from all sense enjoyment object. Our Narottam Das Thakur explained, whenever we are eligible to make us free from sense enjoyment object, that time our mind will be pure, could be pure. And when mind is pure, then we are qualified to enter in Vrindavan Dham. In Vrindavan, Radha Govindo, and here, Navadvip, Gaur Gadadhar, equivalent. Both are equivalent. So therefore, we should think about this, the place, significance of the place. My spiritual master took sannyas. My spiritual master happily used to worship here Radha, Gaur Gadadhar. And that Brahmin, we can see, that Brahmin in golden age, he used to worship actually Radha Govinda with champak tree. Also, according to the scriptural evidence, that there is also Champaklata. This is the village, this is the place Champaklata used to stay here. So many significant. That Brahmin who used to worship Radha Govinda, so look, that Brahmin in the Kali Yuga appear in the form of Dijovaninath. Dijovaninath, disciple of Gadadhar Goswami. Therefore he established that deities. I think you can see the sign over there, 515 anniversary. 515 anniversary of this temple. That means 515 years ago, Gaur Gadadhar deities have been established by Dijovaninath. But 1900 something, 1920, Srila Prabhupada, when you see the dilapidated condition of the Dijovaninath's deities, then he took the responsibilities and renovate the temple. I think our Nityananda Prabhu, by the blessings of Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he is really flourished in a massive decorating manner. So we should feel indebted to this Nityananda Prabhu. Why? Because this place is remote area. Nowadays we like only town area. But he is alone here. He is alone here and conducting all the service properly. Therefore we should feel indebted, and whatever we have possibility, we can donate also, not only be indebted in the mind. Donate to help the project. What project he kept remain here, not actually finish here. For the project, so you can donate and finish according to his wish. So anyway, this is the Dijovaninath, and this is the place, Gaur Gadadhar. And then also top of that, there is a Jayadev Goswami, who composed Dasavatar Stotram, Sita Kamala, all those famous, attractive, devotionally uplifted song in Sanskrit language. Such attractive Raja King Lakshman Sen. He was really felt attraction. So one day, when King Lakshman Singh read the Dasharata Stotra written by Jaydev Goswami, he came. Jaydev Goswami, then King Lakshman Singh came with normal outfit, not a royal outfit. Just hide himself, because Jaydev Goswami was such a renown, he doesn't want to be close with any materialistic person. King means materialistic person. You can see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also not allowing King Pratapa to near to him. So Kavi Jaydev Goswami, poet Jaydev Goswami also, his tendency like that. The poet Jaydev Goswami wrote, and Lakshman Singh, he was the king, but he came out just ordinary outfit. But what happened? Jaydev Goswami recognized it. Then he decided, Jaydev Goswami's actually home was near Jogapet temple. Then he decided he liked to leave this place because he don't want to associate with any materialistic people. Any materialistic people, like king is materialistic. So he decided to leave this place. Then, he had desired to go back to Jagannath Puri. But Lakshman Singh said, Prabhu, please be merciful. Don't leave my kingdom. Stay somewhere else, far from me. That time, that Kavi Jaydev, poet Jaydev Goswami came and stayed here, this place. This is a synopsis of this place. This is a synopsis, the glories of this place. So think about it. Gaur Gadadhar, think about this. Vijayvaninath, think about Srila Prabhupada, think about my spiritual master. And my spiritual master took sannyas in Amloki Ekadasi Tithi, it was tomorrow, 1947. Tomorrow, 1947, in presence of Satish Prabhu, means Nananda Babaji Maharaj, Bhakana Goswami Maharaj, Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, all his Godfather, they insisted to take sannyas. Therefore, everybody is present here on the day of Amloki Ekadasi, and that day he took sannyas. Anyway, in brief, I must explain the glories of this place. Think about it. Now, the glories. Now, our Parvat Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Parvat Goswami Maharaj will chant the Dasarata Sutra, what is composed by Jaydev Goswami. আমি যেটা বললাম বাংলাতে এবং নট ইন্ডেটেড অ্যান্ড ডোনেট, মানে অ্যাকচুয়ালি বাংলাতে হবে এটা, আমরা চিরকৃতজ্ঞ থাকবো এবং কিছু আর্থিক সাহায্য করে আমাদের গুরুদেবের সন্ন্যাস স্থানটাকে একটু সুসজ্জিত করব, মানে এনার পছন্দ হচ্ছে। এই জন্য যদি কেউ পয়সা দিতে চান এই থালাতে দিয়ে যাবে। গৌরবাংলা সেবা আর এদিকে আমাদের কনস্ট্রাকশন, মানে গুরুদেবের সন্ন্যাস জায়গাটাকে ভালো করে হরে কৃষ্ণ।